Good evening, students. What we have seen yesterday about Mary Com's introduction, is it? Okay. Now let's move into the proof space. Okay. Be ready. Okay. The autobiographies of accomplished sportsperson. What is the meaning for accomplished? Important synonym. Famous. Okay. Famous or well known. Sportspersons are replete with the challenges they faced and their single-minded pursuit towards their goal. What is the meaning for replete? Full of. Okay. Their life is full of challenges. Whose life? Sportsperson's life. Okay. They faced and their single-minded pursuit towards their goal. Okay. The sportspersons always go according to their goal. Okay. Their only motive is to achieve their goal. Such a book is sure to make an interesting as well as inspirational read. Okay. This book will act, this piece of autobiography will act as an inspiration to the readers. Okay. As well as it is an interesting piece. Okay. Now read an excerpt. What is the meaning for excerpt? Taken from. Okay. This prose piece is taken from the autobiography Unbreakable. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Soon after the Bangkok Championship, I was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association. Here I refers to Mary Kom. Okay. Soon after her championship in Bangkok. ஓகே ஃபஸ்ட்டு எங்கே போகிறாங்க, பேங்காக் போயிட்டு ஒரு சின்ன டோர்னமெண்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு மேரிக்கும் வராங்க. ஓகே. ஆஃப்டர் தட் she was selected in 48 category for the international boxing. Okay. Now she was selected for international boxing. Okay. World Women's Boxing Championship in Pennsylvania, USA, November to December 2001. Okay, when the tournament held between November to December, where it was held? Pennsylvania, USA, United States of America. Okay. Okay. In that situation, Mary Kom is planned to move to USA. Okay. My father managed to collect only Rs 2000 for my trip. By 2000 for my trip, I was both upset and worried because I heard of how expensive things were in America. Okay. Mary Kom is basically came from poor background. Okay. Her father only collected 2000 for her trip. They don't have enough money for that trip. So Mary Kom become upset. Okay. And worried. Okay. How expensive things were in America, but there were nothing my parents or I could do so, but they were financially in trouble. I spoke to Onler, name of a person, one of my friends, about my problem. Okay. Mary Kom told her problem to that Onler. Okay. Mary Kom's friend. He invited a few students and elders who went to meet the two members of parliament and seek their help. Okay. He invited few students from their village and elders who are going to meet two members of parliament on that time. ஓகே, ரெண்டு பேர் இவங்க ஊர்லேருந்து யாரை பார்க்க போகிறாங்க? சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு எம்பியை பார்க்க போகிறாங்க. ஓகே, that two MPs donated Rs 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. How they donated? How much they donated? Rs 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. And suddenly had Rs 10,000 in my hands. They had already 2,000 and two MPs donated 5,000 and 3,000. Now they have totally 10,000. Okay. With this princely sum, princely large amount, important synonym. With this princely sum and a little more that had been collected from the people, even money was collected from that village people. I left for the USA. She left for US. I was relieved to have money in my pocket. Now Mary Kom had some money. Okay, I knew that I could not come back empty handed. இப்போ எல்லோரும் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? சேர்ந்து தான் பணம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதனால் இவங்க ரிட்டன் வரப்போ எப்படி வரக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க? எம்டி ஹேண்டடாக வரக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஆஃப்டர் ஆல் த எஃபர்ட்ஸ் தட் பீப்புள் ஹேட் மேட் ஆன் மை பிஹாஃப், எனக்காக என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? ஆல் த பீப்புள் டொனேட்டட் சம் மணி, ஸோ ஐ ஷுட் கெட் மெடல் ஃபார் தெம். ஓகே ஓகே. Pennsylvania was cold and beautiful. How was the climate in America? It was very cold. Pennsylvania, that city, Pennsylvania was cold, but it was beautiful and it was snowing. We were confined to the sports arena. Confined, ஒதுக்கப்பட்ட. ஓகே, எங்கே இருக்காங்க? They were in sports arena. But what little I saw was pleasing to the eye. The people were enormously nice too. Even the people of America were nice. Okay, how was the climate? It was cold. Okay, how was the scenery? It was beautiful. How was the people? They were nice. Okay, important question. Okay, it was the first time in my life that I had traveled so far. It was in my life, it was the first time I travelled so far. What is the meaning for far? Distance. ஓகே, மேரிக்கும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைமு அவ்வளோ தூரம் போயிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? ஐ வாஸ் லுக்கிங் ஃபார்வர்ட் டு சீயிங் வாட் அமெரிக்கா வாஸ் ஆல் அபவுட். மேரிக்கும் பிகம் curious to know about America. But since we were the last team to arrive, we went straight to the sporting arena. Mary Kom want to know something about America, but they went to sporting arena. What is the meaning for sporting arena? Sports நடக்கிற இடம். ஓகேவா? From the airport, the other teams had already completed their wait in which is compulsory for all the players. Other teammates already complete their weight checking. Okay, which is compulsory for all the players. Okay, which is the basic thing, you know. Before going to attend the competition, they have to check their weight. Is it? I was tired and suffering from jet lag. What is the meaning for jet lag? Tired, unpleasant experience. He was tired. Okay, Mary Kom become tired. It had been morning when I left, and here it was morning again. Okay, why she become tired and it looked unpleasant for her? Because she left India on morning. America itself, it was morning, so she had some unpleasant experience and mood in her. Okay, after weighing in, I found out that I did not have any match on that day. Okay, Mary Kom did not have any match on the first day. Important question. I was fortunate. What is the meaning for fortunate? Important synonym lucky. Who was lucky? Mary Kom was lucky. I was fortunate, but some of the teammates are not so lucky. But some of her teammates had on match on that first day itself. Okay, I was able to rest well enough to face my opponent in the round. Mary Kom had enough time to face her opponent. Opponent means opposite side player. Okay, which I won comfortably. Okay, which I won comfortably. My fear of facing new opponents quickly vanished. Disappeared. Important synonym. ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட் நாள் மேட்ச் இல்லாததுனால எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்க, யார் அப்போனண்ட்டாக வந்தாலும் ஜெயிச்சிடலாம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு தைரியம் பிறக்குது, அந்த பயம் போயிடுது. ஓகேவா? ஐ கம்ப்ளீட்டட் இன் த 48 kg இன் திஸ் சாம்பியன்ஷிப். ஐ கம்ப்ளீட்டட், அவங்க எதில் கலந்துக்கிட்டாங்க? சி பார்ட்டிசிபேட்டட் இன் 48 kg. ஓகே, while teammates lost one after another. But her teammates lost one after another in their matches. எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிகிட்டே போகிறாங்க? தோத்துக்கிட்டே போகிறாங்க. I went on to reach the finals, but Mary Kom reached finals. I was even hopeful of winning the gold. Mary Kom become very confident of winning gold. Okay, the boxers were not unbeatable as I had earlier thought, but it was not an easy job to win them. Okay,